Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add passwords to Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and passwords. Following that, you can click on this plus icon next to search passwords to add a new one. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to see them, click on this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that this switcher next to Offer to Save Passwords is on, and then log in to one of your apps. You will see Google pop-up. Select Save to save your password, and then when you go into the same settings, those options will appear. In order to add a password from here, click on this plus, enter your website data, or tap on Select App and click on the one that you wish to add, like Facebook. Then input all of those informations: username or Gmail or mail, password, and even some notes. When you finish, hit save at the top right corner to add your password. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!